the At Home With Me Quarantine Cooking Series. If you want to find out what I'm making today, stay tuned. Hi friends, it's Karen. Welcome to the channel. Today guys, we are in the final week number 5 of the At Home With Me Quarantine Cooking Series that's being brought to you by the entire Sister Circle here on YouTube, being spearheaded by This and That with Denise Jordan and Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. We've come together as the Sister Circle to share with you guys what we're cooking while we're at home under the quarantine order. We're using whatever we have on hand to bring you delicious recipes that you can share and try with your family. Guys, if you have missed any of this At Home With Me cooking series, I will make sure and put the links to the playlist of the past 4 weeks down in my description box so you can go over and check out all of the amazing cooking videos that have been going on during this series. Now today I am going to be making a classic potato salad and oven fried chicken tenders. That's what we're having for dinner tonight, and we're going to have some sliced tomatoes on the side. All right guys, so I'm going to go ahead and share with you the ingredients that I put in my classic potato salad. But before I do, if this is your first time to the channel, welcome to the channel. This is a lifestyle channel, and I hope that by the end of this video, if you enjoy lifestyle content such as cooking, cleaning, home decor, shopping hauls, and occasionally a DIY, I hope that you would consider hitting that subscribe button, tap that notification bell so you'll be one of the first to know when I upload a new video. If you're a returning friend, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me and this channel. All right, guys, what I put in my classic potato salad. Okay, we're starting out with, these are just golden yellow potatoes, and this is about 1.5 pounds. I prepped these in advance. I washed and boiled these yesterday, just put them in the fridge, so all I have to do is peel them and cut them up. And we're going to be using about 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, about 2 tablespoons. And I've got about 1/4 cup of celery that I chopped up. And I just kind of eyeball some of these ingredients, you guys. I don't do it exact measurements. All right, so I've got some sweet relish here, and I've got some of that good relish juice. That's gonna be really good in that potato salad. And this is about 1/4 cup too, maybe a little bit more. I'm going to be putting a little bit of salt and some pepper. That is it, guys. I'm not putting any onion in this potato salad. I know I'm just as disappointed as you guys are. But my family, my guys, they don't like onions, so I'm not going to put onion in this potato salad. And I know you're probably saying, what is potato salad without the onion? I like onion. They don't, so no onion, okay? No onion in this potato salad. And then I'm going to go ahead and get this made into the refrigerator, and then I'll come back and then I'll get started on the oven fried chicken tenders. All right, guys, so let's get started. Okay guys, the potato salad is in the refrigerator. Now we're gonna get started on the oven fried chicken tenders. Got some chicken tenders here that have been washed and cleaned and ready to go. I soak my chicken tenders or my chicken. I soak it in salt water the night before I'm going to cook it, and so that's what I did with these. I soaked them in salt water last night, and then I've washed them off and cleaned them so they're ready to go. So these are just some chicken tenders. I preheated my oven to 400 degrees, and I'm going to melt about 5 tablespoons of butter on a baking sheet. And then I'm going to take 1 cup of flour, and I'm going to place it inside of the Ziploc bag, and I'm going to add to that flour some of this Creole seasoning, this Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. I'm going to add that to the flour. Then I'm going to put the chicken in the bag and shake it up, and then place that on the pan with the butter. Put it in the oven. It's going to stay in there for about 12 minutes, and then I'm going to go back and then flip them over to the other side so they can cook for an additional 12 minutes. So about 24 minutes, 25 minutes in the oven until they're done, and then we'll take them out. So total cooking time on the chicken tenders is about 24 to 25 minutes. 12 minutes on one side and then 12 minutes on the other. But you know, you just keep your eye on them. You want to make sure that they're done. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started with these oven fried chicken tenders. All right, guys, while the chicken tenders are in the oven, let's make a quick honey mustard dipping sauce. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, and 2 tablespoons of honey. I'd like to thank the entire Sister Circle for inviting us into your kitchens and sharing your recipes with us. And I'd like to thank each and every one of you for watching. Remember to always live your life to the fullest every day, and I'll see you in the next video.